In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Fiverr account. Whether you're looking to close your account for good or simply need a break from freelancing, we'll walk through the process together to ensure a smooth experience. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Fiverr account as you'll need to be logged in to make changes. To get started, head to the Fiverr website and log into your account. You can do this by entering your credentials on the homepage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, the central hub where you manage your freelancing activities or find the services you need. From here, locate your profile icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, look for the option labeled Account Settings. Clicking on this will navigate you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your Fiverr account. Once on the settings page, direct your attention to the Personal Information section. This section contains all the details linked to your account. Scroll down to the bottom of this page until you see a section labeled I'm leaving because. This part is crucial as Fiverr would like to understand your reason for leaving. You'll see a list of reasons presented to you, which could range from unsubscribe from Fiverr emails to I can't find what I need on Fiverr, or even something else. If none of the predefined reasons match your situation, selecting something else will provide you with a box labeled Tell Us More. Here you can type specific details about why you're choosing to leave. This feedback can be valuable for Fiverr as they strive to improve their platform. Once you've selected your reason or provided feedback, if you're sure about your decision to deactivate your account, you will see an option to Deactivate Account. Clicking on this button will initiate the process to permanently delete your Fiverr account. It's important to note that this action cannot be undone, so make certain this is what you want before proceeding. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted your Fiverr account. If this video helped you, please consider liking it, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new uploads. Thank you for watching and have a great day.